When we talk about fraction, we mean part of a whole or a group. Now, let's take this for instance, okay? Now, this is a whole thing. This one is a full orange, okay? And we have divided it into 4 parts, okay? We have divided a full orange into 4 parts. So once I take one out of the division here, it becomes what? Fraction. So we have 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 out of 4. I've taken 1 out. Now let's come to this one, the second scenario. We have the same orange here. This time I have, so once I have divided into 2, so it's on 2. So if I take a portion of it, that is half of it, that will be 1 on 2. Now let's come to the third scenario. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the division is 4. But I have shaded 2 parts, so I have taken 2. That will be 2 out of 4. So in short, a fraction is a part of whole. We can have so many examples here. So we can have 5 on 7, 3 on 2, 1 on 2, and many more. Okay? Alright. Now let's observe the following very carefully. Now at times the top one will be more than the down one, and the down one will also be more than the top one. So what is the name given to the top one? Let me use this one as the case study. So A on B. Now always the top one, okay, the top one is called numerator, and the down one is called denominator. Okay, so that's that. Now let's form so many examples here. So 5 on 7. So the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 7. Now the next example, 1 on 2, 3 on 2, 4 on 7, 5 on 3. Now when they ask you to find the sum of the numerators of the following fraction, so we have to find the sum of the numerators. So once we hear that, just look at the numerators. What do you see here? 1. So sum means plus addition. So we are finding the sum of the numerators here. Plus 4 plus 5. Okay, so 5, 4, 9 plus 1, 10. We have 13. So the sum of the numerators of the following fractions is 13. As simple as that. Now let's talk about